Define production processes with codes and instructions. Process master management begins in the master module to define core production workflows. The master section centralizes production configurations for items, units, and manufacturing companies setup. Process master lists all established production stages and their current operational status. Process name identifies the specific manufacturing activity within the organizational workflow, while the process code serves as a unique system identifier for tracking and integration. Process image provides a visual reference for operators to identify the correct procedure. Description outlines the specific tasks and requirements for this production step. Instruction attachment includes detailed technical documentation or safety guidelines for the workforce. Status determines if the process is available for active production scheduling. Saving the configuration updates the global registry to ensure standardized manufacturing operations. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.